Hello friends, this is Harshita and I welcome you all to the Current Affairs Show. Today we'll see the important news of 23rd and 24th October 2016. And as you know, in the end we'll be conducting a quick question answer session that would prove to be really helpful for exams. So let's start with the important news of the day. Well, today, that is on 24th of October, it is celebrated as United Nations Day since 1948. So students, do you know which campaign is recently launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Well, he has launched a campaign to boost the morale of soldiers by sending Diwali greetings under the hashtag Sandesh to Soldiers campaign on the Narendra Modi app through mygov.in and also through All India Radio. And here is an important award. Randeep Guleria, head of pulmonology from the AIIMS, and C.S. Yadav, Department of Orthopedics from the Sir Ganga Ram Hospital, have been selected for the prestigious Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy Award for Excellence in the Field of Medicine. Power Grid Corporation, Navratan, has approved 3 proposals to invest rupees 1,184.45 crore in power transmission projects across the country. Now let's see an obituary. Veteran Punjabi actor Meher Mittal, who acquired legendary status with his comic roles, passed away after a prolonged illness. And lastly, some important updates from the sports world. North Korea won the 2016 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup after defeating Japan on penalties in the final of the tournament. Mercedes driver Lewis Hamilton has won the 2016 United States Grand Prix. India beat Iran with a score of 38-29 to win their 8th successive Kabaddi World Cup. So students, these were the important news. Now we'll start with the question answer session. Question number 1. On which date United Nations Day is observed annually? Well, it is observed today, that is on 24th of October. Question number 2. Name the campaign which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, through which people can send their Diwali greetings and messages to the soldiers. Well, the campaign is hashtag Sandesh to Soldiers. And what is the purpose of hashtag Sandesh to Soldiers campaign? Well, the purpose is to support and boost the morale of the soldiers. And who is leading hashtag Sandesh to Soldiers campaign? Well, it is led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Question number 3. Name the 2 doctors who have been selected for the prestigious Dr. B.C. Roy Award for Excellence in Field of Medicine. Well, the 2 doctors are Randeep Guleria and C.S. Yadav. Question number 4. Where are the headquarters of Power Grid Corporation? Well, they are in Gurgaon, Haryana. And who is the chairman of Power Grid Corporation? Well, the chairman of PGC is Shri I.S. Jha. Question number 5. Name the Punjabi comedy actor who passed away recently. Well, he is Meher Mittal. Question number 6. Lewis Hamilton is associated to which sport? Well, he is associated to Grand Prix. And who has won the 2016 United States Grand Prix? Well, it is won by Lewis Hamilton. And where is Budh International Circuit located? It is located in Greater Noida, Uttar Pradesh, India. Question number 7. Who has won the 2016 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup? Well, it is won by North Korea. And which country hosted the 2016 FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup? Well, it was hosted by Jordan. And which country will host the FIFA Under-17 World Cup? Well, it will be hosted by India. Question number 8. Kabaddi World Cup 2016 was held in which city? Well, it was held in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And who has won the Kabaddi World Cup 2016? Well, it is won by India. And how many times India has won the Kabaddi World Cup? Well, India has won it 8 times. And who is the captain of Indian Kabaddi team? The captain of Indian Kabaddi team is Anup Kumar. And where is the Trans Stadia, India's first convertible stadium is located? Well, Trans Stadia, India's first convertible stadium is located in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. And lastly, India won the Kabaddi World Cup 2016 by defeating which team? Well, India defeated Iran. So students, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the session. So now, let's take a look at the important headlines of the day.
You can watch all our videos and more on your smartphone. All you need to do is download the Adda 247 app from Google Play Store. This app is the #1 trending educational app in India and is also our official app for bankersadda.com and sscadda.com. You can visit our website bankersadda.com, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page for the latest updates. We look forward to your views and comments.